We've now covered the basics of AI and machine learning, and it's time to dive into a crucial part of how AI really works: algorithms, math, and the way they intersect to power AI. In this section, we'll explore the foundational algorithms that underpin AI systems, delve into the mathematical principles behind them, and discuss why understanding these concepts is essential for anyone working with or studying AI. Whether you're a math enthusiast or someone who's not so fond of numbers, don't worry. We'll break it down in a way that's accessible and relevant to the big picture of AI. And here's something to think about the next time someone asks, why do we need math in real life? Every AI system you interact with, from chatbots to recommendation engines, is built on the foundations of math. That's right. Those algorithms making decisions, predicting outcomes, and driving technology are all rooted in mathematical principles. How do you like them apples? Let's revisit this height and weight table to set the stage for our next topic. Looking at this table, can we estimate the weight for a female who is 180 centimeters tall? The data we have only goes up to 180 centimeters, so we'd have to use some kind of method or formula to make that estimate. This is where algorithms and math come into play. In AI, we use algorithms to process data and make predictions or estimations when we don't have direct data available. The ability to take known information, apply mathematical principles, and come up with a reasonable prediction is at the core of how AI operates. As we move forward, we'll explore how these concepts of algorithms and math underpin the decision-making processes in AI, allowing it to make intelligent predictions, just like estimating this weight.